Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery on this style of Mercedes fob. So all you're going to do is basically take off this back little cover right here. So if you have a spare key, you will release it right here, pop it out right there. So this one actually doesn't have one, but you'll use like a little small little flathead screwdriver, or you can also use a spare key for this. So let's go ahead and turn it over exactly like this. There's a little slot right here. You can stick that in and just pop that out just like that. And then we're going to have a CR2025 battery linked down below to get one off of Amazon. So we'll just pop that out just with the screwdriver or the spare key. Go ahead and put that in just like that. And then we'll go ahead and get our back cover. Got these two little tabs right here. So go ahead and pop that in just like that, and there you go.